Top Dog Attachments.
When you buy a skid steer attachment, you need it to stand up to your toughest jobs. Top Dog Attachments makes high-quality skid steer attachments with A50 grade steel, and they are built tough to handle your toughest work. Our tough dirt buckets are available up to 96 inches wide and are made with reinforced skid plates, perfect for leveling or relocating anything from dirt to rock. The optional bolt-on tooth bar attachment gives you that extra bite you need. The optional hitch receiver attachment allows you to move your equipment around the job site more conveniently. This may look like an ordinary dirt bucket, but looks can be deceiving. Our 4-in-1 bucket can scoop, dump, scrape, and grab material. This 4-in-1 bucket has many uses, which makes it extremely versatile on any job site. The side flow bucket allows you to easily scoop and accurately spread material like mulch and rock from either side. The rate of flow is completely adjustable to match the speed you need. The flow direction is easily controlled from the inside of your skid steer. The heavy material side flow bucket holds up to 1 cubic yard, and the light material side flow bucket holds over 2 cubic yards. This bucket is perfect for construction sites and landscaping. Our rock buckets are available up to 82 inches wide with 3/8 of an inch thick tines. If you need more strength, check out our heavy-duty rock buckets. They are also available up to 82 inches wide and are equipped with heavy-duty tines made from 1/2-inch thick steel. Our brush buckets are equipped with powerful grapples. The light material brush bucket is available up to 82 inches wide. We also manufacture a heavy-duty brush bucket, and that's available up to 72 inches wide. This heavy-duty brush bucket is built to handle that extra heavy material. Both are equipped with 2 hydraulic cylinders that sport 2,500 pounds of working pressure, and they won't let go until you want them to. We have over 50 attachments available, including stump grapples, tree spades, rake grapples, bale spears, pallet forks, and manure forks, just to name a few. We strive to ensure that you receive the best customer service as well as the high-quality attachments you deserve. To see more of our high-quality attachments, please visit topdogattachments.com. Otherwise, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-445-8244. Top-quality skid steer attachments, top-notch customer service. Top Dog Attachments.